Hi, this is Lucy Piper. Today I'm going to show you how to make a probiotic food, and it will be kefir. I'm going to prepare for you coconut kefir, not dairy, because that will be friendly autoimmune paleo diet. What we need for this? We need a jar. We need a coconut milk, and I like to use this kind because it's a more like a liquidy. And also I used this one before, but I don't like this anymore actually, because this is more like a liquidy. So what you do, you open this container, you pour milk right here. So for kefir, you need to have kefir grains. What is a kefir grains? It is like a good bacteria, to make a good bacteria in your kefir. Where you can get this, so they will be look just like this. You can ask your friends if somebody have, and that's actually how I have my kefir grains. You can buy this in a health food store. And you can buy also online. What I would be advise you to do, never buy dry grains. Always buy already like a wet and prepared grains. So this is just a regular dairy milk. So let me wash this one, and I will tell you what to do next. So you rinse them just a little. So they will be look just like this, and you drop them in your milk. So you take this, you shake it, and you put on a countertop. It's a depend of temperature. If it's a summertime, it can be 24 hours. It will be winter, it can be 72 hours. And after this, it will be ready. And you know, it will be a little sour taste. So kefir much better from nutrition point of view than yogurt, because it's not only have a good bacteria, but it's also have a yeast. And so this is apply also coconut kefir as well. When your kefir will be ready, you take your grains from here, and I can, just one, this one. You will take all grains from here, and you drop this back to milk. So sometimes your milk will be already like a kefir, and you renew this and you replace this with new milk. You put this right here, and close this and keep this in the refrigerator until you will be ready with your coconut kefir again. So why we want to put this from coconut to dairy milk? Because we let them rest in dairy milk. I hope it's not so complicated. But you know, if you will have a question, put your notes below. But remember, every time when we put your grains from dairy to coconut, we want them rinsed. So this is Lucy Piper, you are a coach. Download my free books below, and make a comment what you think about this kefir.